Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday afternoon. It's about as live as I'll ever get. I may go live one day, but this is an unedited video of just what's going on out in the shop today and a little bit of safety. I had a little accident just a little while ago. The older we get, things we used to be able to walk away from hurt a little bit more now. So earlier, I had been on the wire wheel on a grinder, getting after it for many hours. And I don't know, I had the TV on in the background and I may have looked up at the TV or something, but the grinder was on auto, meaning I didn't have my finger on the trigger. And it got caught up in my shirt and it was full speed, 30,000 RPM. Let's just say, a little weight loss reduction on my stomach and chest. It got tied up in the shirt and went to town and couldn't get it unplugged, couldn't get the trigger undone. So anyway, I want you guys to be careful. I want y'all out in the shop working, but I want you to be careful. And I'm not one of those guys that's gonna go show wounds and, you know, inflamed toenails and all that stuff you see people showing. You know, I'm just, I'm gonna let you paint your own picture, but it's not pretty. So guys, just be careful. Know where you're at, know what you're doing. I'm one of those guys that's got the sign on the wall that says 3,462 days since my last accident. You know, that's like 10 years. And then poof, all of a sudden, you gotta go erase that number and put the big 0 up there, you know. Anyway, you just got to be careful. Keep your mind on the job and don't do as I do. Anyway, let me show you what I've gotten done on the old Porsche project. That's what I've been working on today, and I'm going to spin the camera around, show you what I've got done, and let me know what you think. All right, so here's where I'm at. Rear bumper. I took the rear bumper apart, got the bump stops off of it, got the trim off of it, got the rear roll pan off of it. It's beat up, but very usable, no rust. We're gonna have to dolly that out and fix it. Don't know what to do about the rear bumper. I don't really want to do any kind of fiberglass, anything like that, covers. I want to use the original rear bumper, and I had thought about smoothing it out, you know, getting rid of the big bumpers and all that, getting rid of the rubber. But you know what? The more I look at it, the more I kind of like some of the original stuff, because if you start taking one piece off, you got to take it all off. So for right now, we're going to strip this bumper down, chase all of the holes that are threaded, and clean it inside and out. The inside of it looks pretty rough. It's got oil, grime, grease, undercoating, you name it. One of the, I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but one of the studs on the shock broke on one side, so we're gonna have to smooth that up, take the other one off, and go ahead and weld some new studs on here, just so that it'll, you know, be nice. I took the rockers off, the rocker covers off, and this looks like rust, but it's really not. It's the undercoating that the factory puts on, and it flakes up like rust, and so it's not rusted through. But anyway, I thought about removing these and leaving these off, and then the more I think about it, I kind of like them. So may have to fix these up. I already threw them over in a for sale pile and went and got them. So you never know. You got to play with this stuff as it goes. Let's see what else we got going on. Hey guys, it's free to subscribe. Not much in this country is free anymore. So hit that button, subscribe to the channel, and keep up with Spanky. All right, so this is the tin work, some of it that goes around and keeps the engine cool. and it was black and rusty and all beat up from the factory. I went ahead and gave it a little light gold, kind of a light dirty gold semi-gloss paint job. We're going to see what that looks like. A lot of it's going to be covered up, but then it'll have black accents with it. And I hope it looks good. Something a little different. And that's what this is all about. All right, so I got the valve covers painted, the upper valve covers. And you can see on this one, I've already removed the paint from the script that they've got on here. And this one here, I've still got to do that. It's pretty tedious, and it's not a good day to do that. Some more of the gold parts, and then here's some more of the engine parts that I've got painted. So moving along pretty good. Here's the test spray from the gold that I was mixing up. And you can kind of see how it goes against the black. This camera's not really doing good on here, but it's showing the black. It's kind of a milky color, but it's not. I think it's got a little bit of dirt on it. What you guys think about that? Something a little different. All right, this is the culprit. It's not this guy's fault right here. It's my fault. This is the bad boy that got me right here. These hurt. Yes, I had safety glasses, gloves, and the whole deal. My only problem is I wasn't paying attention. So guys, please, please be careful in the shop. We're all too old to get hurt. And we got a lot of people to take care of. So be safe. All right, so I'm removing some more parts. I just removed the rocker cover that has the impact strip on it that went along the bottom. And of course, I found more rust, which isn't very surprising. It's front fender. Looks like I can repair that. And of course, the quarter right there, already knew about. So just another 2 bites to add to this big steak that I've got to eat by myself. Still working on my fitment and getting pieces ready to weld on, but you can see got all that mocked up and it's coming along pretty good. I think I showed, most of you guys probably watched the last video and saw what was going on, but making a lot of progress on the old car. Well guys, I hope y'all were having a great weekend. It's almost over, almost time to go back to work, and that really stinks. But hopefully you've got a job that you enjoy and it's not even like going to work. But as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the support. It is free to subscribe, by the way. So pound that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, give me some likes. That really helps the channel grow and it helps me out a whole lot. And I really appreciate it. Now get out the couch, get out in the garage and go build something. We'll see you soon.